She is a pyramid, but with him she's just a grain of sand. This love's too strong like my cement, squeezing out the life that should be let in. She was a hurricane, but now she's just a gust of wind. She used to set the sails of a